Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Amazon Mechanical Turk worker account to start completing HITS and earning money, follow these essential step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Go to mturk.com and click on Get Started with Amazon Mechanical Turk to begin the registration process. You'll need an Amazon account to proceed. Step 2. Log in using your existing Amazon account credentials or create a new Amazon account if you don't have one. Your MTURK worker account will be linked to this Amazon account. Step 3. Select I want to work on tasks to register as a worker rather than a requester. Provide your basic information during the registration process. Step 4. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a verification email from Amazon Mechanical Turk and clicking the confirmation link provided. Step 5. Provide your personal information, including your full legal name, date of birth, residential address, and social security number. This information is required for tax purposes and identity verification. Step 6. Complete your worker profile by adding additional details about yourself, your skills, and your qualifications. A complete profile may increase your access to certain HITs. Step 7. Set up your Amazon Payments account by entering your bank account information where you want to transfer your MTURK earnings. This requires your bank account and routing numbers. Step 8. Wait for Amazon to verify your account information and approve your worker registration. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to several days. Step 9. Check your email for confirmation from Amazon Mechanical Turk, indicating that your account has been verified and approved for work. Step 10. Once approved, log in to your MTURK worker dashboard to start browsing available HITS, accepting tasks, and earning money. Familiarize yourself with the platform's guidelines and best practices. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.